Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. Where Pharaoh's reigns were proudly shown. The second dynasty did rise, with rival claimants to the prize. Hetepskamwe, first of name. Peaceful in respect was his fame, between the gods, a truce he sought. To lead his people, wisely taught, renowned Saqqara became their tomb. Where kings laid down, in ancient tombs, Ninetch's resting place concealed. A mystery to be revealed, conflicts arose, rival kings clashed. Peribsen and Horus wrath. Yet among these contenders might. Horus and Seth, peace he brought to light. Kasekamwe, mighty and strong, victorious over foes he thronged. In Abydos, he found his rest, monumental, the best and blessed. The third dynasty's dawn arrived. With Sennacht, the flame revived. Djoser, a ruler, bold and grand. Step Pyramid, a dream so grand. Imhotep, architect divine. His brilliance, across time does shine. Sekhem-Ket and Kaba's grand plans. To leave their mark upon the sands. Huni's tomb, a mystery untold. Meidum's pyramid, rumored to hold. The transition to Memphis made. As Central Power's path was laid. The Old Kingdom, a golden age. With pyramids that still engage. Sunfru, the master of design. Blunted pyramid, his grandest sign. Khufu, Khafra, and Sphinx so great. Their monuments stand as a fate. Giza's marvels, strong and bold. A testament of kings of old. Trade with lands afar did soar. Punt, Anatolia, and much more. A time of wealth, of art, of might, a classic age, a shining light. The fifth dynasty's devotion strong. To sun god's cult, they did belong. Pyramids adorned, art divine. Scenes of afterlife, the grand design. With Osiris, beliefs did change. As pyramid texts did rearrange. A journey to the next world's door. A hope to live forevermore. The sixth dynasty's reign did see, a shift towards a freer plea. Greater independence for the elite. A decentralized power's feet. But with its fall, the winds of time did start. Famine, violence, the land did part. The collapse of central might. An era's end, the fading light. In ancient Egypt's storied land. The rise and fall of kingdoms grand. A history rich, a tale profound. Forever etched in sacred ground. When are you? Hermetica series by Walter Scott, originally released in 1924. This timeless collection spans 4 volumes and comprises a diverse array of Greek and Latin texts, attributed to Hermes Trismegistus, centered around religious and philosophical teachings. The comprehensive notes, commentary, and addenda provided by Walter Scott further enhance the understanding and appreciation of this classic work. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.